Okay, changing shapes to forms. In your sketchbook, label the top of your drawing shapes to forms or changing shapes to forms, and you can date it. Then start with the circle and change the circle to a sphere. Now the only way to change a circle to a sphere is by shading. You have to shade. Think about our values we've created, how you can get dark value, pressure, having more pressure, and then as you want it to get lighter, use less pressure and blending it around. You can use a fingertip or a paper towel folded or something to smear if you want to smudge to create that shading on your sphere. Then changing a square to a cube or a rectangle to a rectangular prism. We're doing a square to a cube. You want to slant those three lines all the same direction. Kind of looks like a card table on its side. Then you're going to connect and connect to change a square to a cube. To change a triangle to a pyramid, start with your triangle and then add a back line, maybe not quite as long, and then angle that backwards. Or if you want a triangular prism, you can start with an arrow and then connect the sides. So you have a fork-sided pyramid or a triangular prism. To make a cylinder, you start with an ellipse. It might take a couple tries, straight lines down. And then this is important, the bottom should be curved just a little bit, depending on the angle that your cylinder is in. That needs to be curved. So that's our cylinder. And then other geometric shape is a cone. Again, you start at the top of a triangle, but then you round the bottom to create the cone. Now, even organic shapes can become forms. Start with an organic shape, a shape that doesn't have a name, and it turns into an organic form when you add that third dimension. The other ones we did had names, they're geometric forms. This is an organic form. Slant all your lines the same angle, and then you kind of connect with that same organic shape you started with to change that into a form. Your sketchbook page should look something like this.